My name's Earl Toups. I'm the Hyperbaric Welding and NTD Manager for DCN Diving, and we engage in underwater wet welding and underwater dry hyperbaric welding. We rely on the PowerWave technology from Lincoln Electric because we use multiple processes and we need one machine that can perform multiple processes. And so far we've been very pleased with the results. We've not had any procedure failures, and execution offshore, the rod was liked by the welders alike.
Hi, my name's Brian Mace. I'm a product manager with Lincoln Electric. Today I'm at the Essen Welding Show in Essen, Germany, and I'm in front of the DCN Diving booth. Up here on the platform we have the PowerWave S350 platform that DCN is using to weld MIG and Stick underwater. They're using the PowerWave here because it's rugged, it has a 5-year warranty, and it has an easy-to-use stick and TIG user interface that they can remotely mount from the machine to their central control panel.